You want to see the live unboxing, build and first print of the Fokoos Odin-5 F3 without watching the whole live stream? Well, here's the recap on Zachary's 3D prints. Hello, this is Zachary and welcome to this YouTube channel. Like mentioned in the intro, today you are going to watch the live unboxing, build and first print from the Fokoos Odin-5 F3. There's a reason behind that, because I'm going to unlist all live streams where I did the unboxing, build and first print of many printers. Nobody actually liked to watch a whole live stream for that, so for this reason I'm making the recaps of those live streams. So enjoy watching.
I do need to say, it is one of the nicest boxes or most beautiful boxes I have seen by far from all the printers that I got. This is not this typical brown carbon box with a print inside. Most of them have a graphic thing, which kind of printer is inside, but this one has just nice decal on it. Okay, this is a 3D render, so I'm going to time this, how long it takes to actually set it up. You guys like that? Accessories, a spool of filament with 250 grams. Oh, that's nice, decent. So it's a foldable printer, but it doesn't lock in a specific place. It's a small printer. The box with the accessories. Quick start guide. So I've got here a box, and on the box is written what's in there. Power cord, flat cable, also some little other stuff, nozzle through, okay, metal. So this is a very nice organized box with on everything the things that are in there. So if I see something like this, it reminds me a little bit from things like Apple, the ribbon cable that I'm going to need, some nozzles, covers for the extrusions, also a USB stick with a memory card in it, a micro SD, and also a USB cable, which I'm not going to use. Oh, cool. This is looking nice. A palette knife, some decent tools, filament spool holder, of course, always needed, and some needles, and some little new snips, in case you do not have that. So I don't see anywhere else screws, so I need to have that back. Try to put it on my small desk. I don't really know where those are for, but we will see. I hope I'm not going to smash anything over. We will see. 6 screws. So I'm not going to tighten them all the way through. So 10 minutes with unboxing, huh? So that part is done. So I guess the other 2 screws are for the filament spool holder. And I also saw these. And there is the bag that I need to have. Yeah, in real life, I think, I don't know how other people feel about it, but indeed, this printer looks very solid. I know. voltage somewhere that needs to be changed. Do I see it somewhere? So here on the side I do see a little switch. I'm going to see if it is already on the right current or not. So I'm going to stop the time because I consider it built. Quick start guide. Okay, so take it up, 90 degrees. Do I have to measure that? Doesn't say. I do need to check if it is square, yes or no, but I don't think at this moment it's not needed. Really flat. This is a little bit odd. Those clips here, those I understand. This one I understand, but this one, focus slicer. But if I see this is Cura. Yeah, for dev, Cura. So they don't say anything about the current. But in case somebody wants to know, the power supply is 240 watts. So it doesn't say anything here on the side that I should do something. But also if I check in the manual, I also don't see that. Some time for big satisfying removal of plastic. Oh, we want that. So, making some people happy. So, round 2. So, oh yeah. Maybe, I don't know. That is done. It is looking nice. Do what we normally would do. Tools, preheat. So it is heated up, but I don't see it in the info screen because here you don't see anything about the temperature. Tools, leveling. Let's go to point 1. So second point. Going back to the first point, check if that one is also nice. Home, all. I'm going to print a Pikachu. Because nobody said it to me. Where's my filament? What do you think if I'm going to use filament from extruder? Biofusion Venom Green. Does this look better on the camera? So, filament there. Now cut it. Options, filaments, load, confirm, back, and resume. Now everybody is wondering, hey, we want to see something getting printed. Yeah, sure, why not?
The end of the live stream was shortened because other people are also doing live streams at that moment. So I quit the live stream. You could see the Pikachu wasn't printed completely well. Some hand was missing, but after reslicing, you saw some amazing end results. If you are interested in the printer yourself and you want to buy it, please check the link in the description of this video. Some can be affiliate links to support this channel without you paying anything extra. If you want to buy the printer somewhere else, feel free to do so. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Peace. Bye bye.